Welcome to Thailand.
Meyer Master 4.0 has been launched worldwide. This time, we held one interesting programming in Thailand, including 200 rice mill owners.
We are glad to invite you to see this football match. It's fully sponsored by Meyer. It is exciting. The game is going on.
It is also a combination for the teamwork at this time. Just like a Meyer Master, adopting 1+N the whole chain line system, now all the rice machineries are no longer working independent, but based on Meyer AI technologies working together as a team. The whole function side is so hot. Thailand friends show great interest for Meyer Master. Why Meyer Master is so popular worldwide?
Hi guys, let's go to the largest rice mills in Thailand. Now, shall we go to invest? Here we are in Thalakong. So I feel this is not a rice mill. This is really a rice spindle with such high parboiling sections, milling sections, dry sections, and all the returnings and cleaning sections. It's unbelievable. It is a systematic the operations, all the production lines joined together. It's a wonder of the rice spindle. With a daily capacity more than 5,000 metric tons. So you have a huge storage of paddies and big rice processing lines. Definitely they need the best machines.
As we all know that Thailand rice is also worldwide very high standard of the rice. And today we have got the standard for Thailand rice issued from the Ministry of Commerce. And we have all the details about each grade of the rice. We have the rice exporting standard. You can see the details. It's very complicated with all the data being mentioned. So basically, it is not an easy control for the whole rice processing.
How we can get the quality control? It is all the online Meyer quality analyzers to give each day the output data with the details, like the whole color classifications.
We are glad to invite our engineer, Mr. Gu, to share all the details.
We now have divided it into 3 steps. Step 1, establish a complete database of Thailand rice standards to meet the country's export requirements. Step 2, online quality control, which can greatly improve the efficiency of the client's testing. Step 3, the full production line inspection processes, including online monitoring of the rice milling machine and reverse control the production. This is an online inspection system for accepted products on line C. Workers only need to start the feeder, and the analyzer will perform real-time quality inspection of the accepted products entering the warehouse. Customer can view the quality of both the production line and the products anytime from anywhere.
Wow, it's so hot outside, and I really don't want to go to the site. So now we are going back to the office, and we can see monitoring all the production. And because of the AI, and we can see all the data being shipped to the panels by the Meyer quality analyzers with real-time the report of all the parameters like whole kernel classifications, components, and also the analyzer, all the standard with the features and details. It is a real-time updating, so it's very easier to monitoring in such a AC-free environment. Wow, now you're seeing more and more AI quality analyzers from Meyer is being shifting. This is the dispatch of one shifting to the separate production lines.